Hey there, are you looking for a natural way to keep your kidneys healthy and toxin free? Your kidney works hard every day to filter waste from your blood, but sometimes they need a little help. That's where this powerful parsley and lemon remedy comes in. Let's dive into how this simple drink can purify your kidneys, boost your health, and even help with anemia. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's talk about parsley. This humble herb is a kidney superhero. It's packed with antioxidants that rejuvenate kidney cells, making them function better. Plus, it's rich in minerals that help eliminate toxins and fat. Parsley also contains beta-carotene, chlorophyll, and vitamin C, perfect for preventing infections and boosting your immune system. And guess what? It's a natural diuretic, helping your body eliminate fluid and reduce high blood pressure. Amazing, right? Now, let's add lemon to the mix. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and P, which strengthen blood vessels in the kidney and help detoxify them. It's also low in sodium and high in potassium, making it a kidney-friendly alternative to salt. Many doctors even recommend replacing salt with lemon juice for better kidney health. How cool is that? Here is how to make this powerful kidney purifying drink. You will need 10 sprigs of parsley and a quarter of water. Cleanse the parsley thoroughly, then add it to the water and bring it to a boil. This helps the parsley release its essential properties into the water. Once the infusion is ready, strain it and add the juice of 1 lemon. That's it. You've just made a liter of this kidney boosting drink. Divide it into 4 glasses and drink 1 in the morning on an empty stomach, another at noon, a third in the afternoon, and the last after dinner. It's that simple. Not only will this remedy help purify your kidney, but it will also aid digestion and provide you with essential vitamins. For best results, drink this infusion twice a week. Your kidney will thank you. While you are at it, here are some extra tips to keep your kidney healthy. Drink plenty of fluids. Eat dairy products. Reduce processed food. Swap animal protein for plant-based options. Cut down on salt, sugar, and alcohol. Small changes can make a big difference. Your kidneys are vital to your overall health, so take care of them. Try this parsley and lemon remedy. Follow the tips and enjoy the benefit of a toxin-free body. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I will see you in the next video.